Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to Rental Supplemental.
All right, so for today's project, when I turned the water on, I remembered that these fittings here, plastic fitting, had broken off. And when I turned on the water shot across the room. So I had to go back and turn it off. Anyway, this is, there's no shut off here. It's all galvanized from back in the day, from 1930. And oh, that's a bird's nest there. There were some starlings living in here for a while. I haven't got to that yet. That's another mess. But this is in the better unit of the two. And today's mission is to get that galvanized pipe cut downstairs and blocked off so that we can turn on the water and have a toilet. All right, so downstairs here, this is the run to that sink upstairs, and it's all old galvanized pipe. So I cut it right here and there, and I'm going to cap these. That took some effort, but I got that out of there without destroying anything else. I'm going to cap those off, and I'll test the water and see where else it's leaking, because I'm sure there's going to be more. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got these brass fittings, caps, that I'm going to put in there. Fortunately for me, the HVAC guys that put the furnace in left this pipe dope, because I'm out of pipe dope and I don't want this to leak. So this is the PTFE stuff, and it works pretty good. I usually use tape and this for water, but this is what I got today, and it's gonna have to do. I hate this stuff. If you get it on you, it'll be behind your ears, it'll be in your butt crack, it'll be everywhere. So I try to kind of be careful with it, because it literally gets everywhere. I don't know if that's gonna show up where I'm working there, but you know, this is real simple stuff. We're just gonna thread these in and block that off. With any luck, it'll work, and I'll have a toilet so I don't have to leave every time I gotta pee. Oh, that's some yummy goo coming out of those pipes. Eventually, I see me cutting out all of this old galvanized and changing it over to PEX. That's still warm here. I heated that up with a torch to free up the pipe that was in there. This run right here goes up to the bathtub. So for now, I want to leave it alone. And I'm going to use the bathtub probably to flush out the lines before I hook up my water heater and the other things that are going to happen over here. That's down the road. I just need to get a bathroom going so I don't have to leave every time I gotta go to the bathroom. And that's getting really old. Okay. Next step is to test it. All right, since that was no good, the next place to bypass that would be right here. And be there and there, which gives me the sink is here and the toilet is there. So the next place I'll cut this piece here and bypass the bathtub for now until I get to that. But you know, at the end of the day today, I would like to have a flushing running toilet. So I'll come back when I get this cut out. Maybe that's why the fitting broke up there. There's your leg. That's not connected to anything. Okay. Now for this fun. Hopefully, not creating more problems by moving this stuff around. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cap that off. All right, re-dope these plugs, and we'll try it again. But to put these in here, hopefully there's no leaks up here. I know better than to hope for stuff like that, but oh well. Oh well. Get these guys tightened down. Okay, more on that one. All right. Turning the water back on over here. Okay, so cranking on those pipes introduced another leak right there. All right, well, that does it. I got to pull all this stuff out of here and replace it. So that'll be an adventure. Anyway, no toilet today. It's crusty, but it works. Seems to be draining okay, too. Looks like the beeswax seal is no good. It probably dried out and shrank. So the toilet's got to come up and that's got to be replaced. So we'll probably get a new toilet.
He did soak the bolts for a couple of days, but in the end, he ended up having to break up the bottom of the toilet just to get it out.
All right, so the toilet here was bolted directly to the floor with no flange. The wax seal was here. I took it off, there it is. So I was thinking I was gonna have to change out this pipe, but I found this thing. It's a flange repair kit. So in lieu of a flange, you put this guy in there and you screw it straight to the floor and you bolt your toilet down here. So this will give me a flange. You put your wax seal here, and then this goes on top of it, and it says that you can change the toilets out multiple times. Now, I don't know how long this will last under there. It's powder coated, but it is steel. The bolts are supposed to be stainless, and this is steel. So it'll last for a while, at least it beats cutting all that pipe out downstairs. That's a lot of time and effort and money, and hopefully this will be okay for for several years. So the underlayment under the tile is concrete, and I'm gonna get a masonry bit and some tap cons to screw that down to the floor so it'll be good and solid. The small successes. Works. No leaky. Fresh new toilet.
Did you enjoy the content in today's video? If so, hit that like button and please make sure you're subscribed. It really, really helps this channel. Thank you so very much for watching.